Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by launching Microsoft Edge and signing in so your data syncs across devices. Once signed in, make Edge your default browser to funnel links here automatically. This reduces friction. Make sure to open settings and select what to sync, favorites, passwords, open tabs, so you don't lose context. Check about Microsoft Edge to install updates, keeping Edge current fixes bugs and improves speed. Now that the essentials are in place, you're ready to customize browsing behavior to match your workflow. Next, customize Edge to make it efficient for how you work. Change your start page and new tab layout so frequently used links and news are one click away. This saves time. Add extensions for ad blocking, password management, or productivity, and remember you can use Chrome Web Store extensions after enabling that option. Use collections to gather research, vertical tabs to manage many pages, and separate profiles for personal versus work browsing to isolate cookies and settings. These steps optimize focus and workflow. Finally, lock down security and learn a few shortcuts so browsing is fast and safe. Turn on Tracking Prevention and Microsoft Defender Smart Screen to block malicious sites. Keep automatic updates onto patch vulnerabilities. Memorize basic shortcuts like Ctrl+T for new tabs and Ctrl+W to close them, and use tab groups to tidy workflows. If pages load slowly or extensions conflict, clear the cache, disable extensions, or reset settings. If problems persist, run in private mode to diagnose
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.